Parting words.
Parting, ano pangalan, sharing of information. Kasi siya di pala galing doon sa Addis Ababa. Galing din ako doon 2 weeks ago because of the IPO conference. And I have to go because I represent Asian Pacific in the Committee of Human Rights of Parliamentarians. So that's my work. So anyway, that's not what I'm trying to tell you. For those of you who have money, you think of starting a poultry farm in Addis Ababa. You know why? A pound of chicken costs the equivalent of about 500 pesos. It is the most expensive meat in Addis Ababa. Pork, I mean, not pork, but chicken.
Because they don't eat pork. They don't eat pork there.
You know,
Muslim don't.
over beef, over any other kind of meat. Ang chicken masyado malubog.
But we can raise French hens there, mga saso, 6 kilos per saso in 4 months time.
You know, so anyway, I'm sharing that information. It's in my report because every time I go to a international conference, I make a report kung ano pong nangyari ko. So, these are one of the things that I mentioned. Salamat tayo sa Pino. What else I can do? And
Meron ka ba tayong designated? Okay, sige.